Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today is Wednesday here in beautiful sunny Florida. I hope you guys are all having a great day or a great morning wherever you guys are. Um, Today I'm going to go over a watch that you may have seen in the collection. This watch, I just purchased the latest model of this watch, the 2024 version, and it is a lot nicer. I will have to admit. This watch that we're going to go over is it's an homage watch to a very high end luxury brand that costs a lot of money. It's sought after by many celebrities. It's a wonderful looking watch, and it's just a great watch. But before we get started on all of that, I just wanted to say again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best, and I do love putting these videos out there, and I love all of the interaction between all my subscribers, all the likes, comments, and everything else. So if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please give that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and post affiliate links to them so you can head on over and pick those up for yourself. Those links do not cost you any additional money. The price is what it is. The only difference is I get a small commission if you guys do decide to head on over and pick one of these watches up using that affiliate link, and that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, me and my buddy Shrody Cat go over this watch. So this watch is by Pagani Design. It is a great quality watch. And feels pretty light. What's going on? There it is, guys. It is a beautiful version of a watch, and very high-end luxury watch. This is not that watch. This is not a counterfeit. This is an homage watch. But it does follow the trend line to that watch very similarly, and it does a wonderful job doing it. This watch is believe it or not, very well spec'd out for the price that it has attached to it. This watch is, believe it or not, under 100 bucks. $100, and it is just an amazing quality watch for $100. This thing comes with a sapphire crystal, that beautiful Tiffany blue dial. Very nice looking watch, very striking. The case is stainless steel, and it is very smooth. All the edges are nice. Everything is just quality on this watch. It doesn't rattle. Nice tight band. It's got the butterfly clasp, which makes the enclosure very seamless. And it's even got that little Pagani Design logo on the clasp itself. Very nice watch, guys. Under 100 bucks. I think right now it's listed on Amazon for $100, and I think there's even a 5% coupon. If you do click on over and pick this up right now, you can probably take advantage of that coupon before it goes away. This is the Pagani Design PD1728. It does have a sapphire crystal on a stainless steel case. It is a fully automatic self-winding watch. It does have the Seagull ST6 automatic movement, which makes it anti-magnetic and shock resistant as well. It's water resistant up to 100 meters. It's available in a bunch of different colors, but the only color I would actually recommend is this one right here. But you guys know that I'm partial to this color. I have a ton of watches that are in this same color range, and I just really love them. I love the colors. So this is one of my favorite colors, but it's also available. I think it was in an olive green, also a black, maybe even a navy blue. But there were a couple of different colors available for this watch. So definitely head on over and check it out. But like I said before, it is the Pagani design PD1728. It is currently right now at $100 with a 5% coupon available on that Amazon link. So if you click on that link, which I will be posting in the description below, you can head right on over and pick one of these guys up. And I believe in my location, it was available with same day shipping. So you might be able to get this same day shipping as well. Um, but just a wonderful looking watch, guys. I mean, just look at that sweeping second hand, that very, very nice looking blue dial, and just the millwork on that, on the steel. I mean, it's just very, very smooth looking and very sharp. This is a wonderful looking watch. Like I said, a lot of celebrities have been known to wear the original of this watch, the one that this one homages. And like I said, guys, this is not a counterfeit watch. This is an homage watch, and it does not purport to be anything other than a Pagani design. It doesn't say any other name other than Pagani design. So it's not purporting to be anything that it is not. But wonderful looking watch, great quality watch for the price. Obviously, it's not going to be up to par with its original, the one that it's homaging, but it's a great looking watch, and it's going to look sharp on your wrist. Like I said before, it's available in many different colors. $100 list price right now on Amazon with a 5% coupon. But you are getting a lot of specs with this watch. You're getting, like I said, stainless steel, sapphire, crystal, self-winding automatic with the shock resistant and anti-magnetic properties, water resistant to 100 meters, and the butterfly clasp. And it's a very, very nice bracelet. It's very, very tight, very nice. It feels good. It's got a good weight to it. Doesn't feel too light. Just a wonderful watch all around. So like I said before, I will be posting a link to this in the description below. My name is Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of these watches that I review and provide affiliate links so that you can head on over and pick those up for yourself. Once again, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And if you do like that concept, please consider giving that thumbs up. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. I hope you guys all have a great week.